Welcome to the digital battlefield, where the clash of ones and zeros determines the fate of nations, corporations, and individuals alike. In this age of technological advancement, our interconnected world has become both a playground and a battleground for cyber attackers seeking to exploit vulnerabilities and wreak havoc on unsuspecting targets. But what drives these cyber assailants? How do they operate? And what real-world examples serve as cautionary tales for the perils of our digital dependence? Join us as we embark on a journey through the shadowy realm of cyber attacks, peeling back the layers to reveal the motives, mechanisms, and manifestations of this ever-evolving threat. From the crippling ransomware attacks that hold organizations hostage to the insidious espionage campaigns aimed at stealing sensitive information, the spectrum of cyber threats is vast and relentless. But fear not, for knowledge is our greatest weapon in this digital arms race. Together, let us illuminate the darkness and fortify our defenses against the forces that lurk in the shadows of cyberspace. Welcome to the front line of the digital age. The battle for security begins now. The anatomy of a cyber attack. To understand the threat posed by cyber attacks, one must first dissect the intricate anatomy of these digital assaults. From the initial reconnaissance to the final exfiltration of sensitive data, each stage plays a crucial role in the attacker's quest for infiltration and exploitation. The journey begins with reconnaissance, where the attacker gathers intelligence on their target, scouring the digital landscape for vulnerabilities and potential entry points. This phase often involves passive reconnaissance techniques, such as scanning publicly available information and probing for weak spots in the target's defenses. With reconnaissance complete, the attacker moves on to exploitation, where they exploit the identified weaknesses to breach the target's defenses. This may involve deploying malware, exploiting unpatched software vulnerabilities, or tricking unsuspecting users through social engineering tactics. Once inside the target system, the attacker seeks to establish a foothold, allowing them to move laterally through the network and escalate their privileges. This phase often involves the deployment of backdoors and remote access tools, enabling the attacker to maintain persistence and evade detection by cybersecurity defenses. Finally, the attacker reaches their ultimate objective, exfiltration. In this phase, they extract sensitive data from the compromised system, whether it be financial information, intellectual property, or personal records. This data is then transferred to the attacker's command and control servers, where it can be exploited for financial gain or strategic advantage. The anatomy of a cyber attack is complex and multifaceted, but by understanding its various stages, we can better defend against the ever-present threat of digital infiltration. The motives behind cyber attacks. In the murky underworld of cyberspace, motivations drive actions, and behind every cyber attack lies a distinct purpose. Understanding these motives is crucial to deciphering the intentions of cyber assailants and fortifying our defenses against their onslaught. Let us delve into the depths of the digital abyss and explore the myriad motives that fuel the flames of cyber warfare. Financial gain. At the forefront of cyber criminality lies the pursuit of financial gain. Whether through ransomware extortion, credit card fraud, or cryptocurrency theft, cyber attackers seek to line their pockets with ill-gotten gains, exploiting vulnerabilities in our digital infrastructure for personal profit. Espionage. In the world of nation-state espionage, cyber attacks serve as a silent weapon, allowing adversaries to infiltrate enemy systems, steal classified information, and gain strategic advantage on the global stage. From state-sponsored hacking campaigns to industrial espionage, the quest for knowledge and power knows no bounds in the digital realm. Activism. For some, cyber attacks are a means of protest and activism, a digital form of civil disobedience aimed at challenging authority and effecting social change. Hacktivist groups leverage their technical prowess to disrupt the operations of governments, corporations, and institutions they perceive as oppressive or corrupt, using the digital domain as a battleground for their ideological struggles. Sabotage, motivated by revenge or malice, cyber attackers may seek to sabotage the operations of their adversaries, inflicting chaos and disruption for personal or ideological reasons. Whether it be a disgruntled insider seeking retribution or a rogue hacker with a vendetta, the desire to sow chaos and destruction knows no bounds in the digital age. The motives behind cyber attacks are as diverse as the actors who perpetrate them, but their impact reverberates across the digital landscape, shaping the future of our interconnected world. How cyber attacks happen? In the digital age, the threat of cyber attacks looms large, lurking in the shadows of our interconnected world. But how do these attacks happen? What vulnerabilities do they exploit? And how do cyber assailants navigate the intricate labyrinth of our digital infrastructure? Join us as we peel back the layers of the digital veil and uncover the mechanisms behind cyber attacks, from the initial reconnaissance to the final infiltration and exploitation of target systems. Reconnaissance. Every cyber attack begins with reconnaissance, the gathering of intelligence on the target system and its vulnerabilities. Hackers scour the internet for information, probing for weaknesses in network configurations, software versions, and user behaviors. From open-source intelligence gathering to network scanning and social engineering tactics, reconnaissance is the first step in the attacker's quest for digital domination. Exploitation. With reconnaissance complete, the attacker moves on to exploitation, leveraging the discovered vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to the target network. This may involve the deployment of malware, the exploitation of unpatched software flaws, or the manipulation of trusted relationships to gain entry. Once inside the target network, the attacker seeks to establish a foothold, using tools and techniques to maintain persistence and evade detection by security defenses. Exfiltration. With access secured, the attacker's final objective is exfiltration, the extraction of valuable data from the compromised system. Whether it be financial records, intellectual property, or personal information, the stolen data is transferred to the attacker's command and control servers for exploitation. And thus, the cycle is complete. From reconnaissance to exploitation to exfiltration, the anatomy of a cyber attack unfolds before our eyes, a digital dance of deception and deceit. In the ever-evolving battlefield of cyberspace, understanding how cyber attacks happen is the first step toward defending against them. But the journey does not end here, for the digital frontier is fraught with peril and uncertainty. Types of cyber attacks. In the ever-changing landscape of cyberspace, threats lurk around every corner, waiting to exploit vulnerabilities and wreak havoc on unsuspecting victims. From the subtle art of social engineering to the brute force of denial-of-service attacks, cyber assailants employ a variety of tactics to achieve their nefarious objectives. Malware infections. Malware, short for noxious programming, includes many advanced dangers intended to invade and think twice about frameworks. From infections and worms to Trojans and ransomware, malware contaminations represent a huge gamble to people and associations the same, frequently prompting information misfortune, monetary burglary, and framework disturbance. Phishing scams. Phishing scams rely on deception and manipulation to trick unsuspecting users into divulging sensitive information or clicking on malicious links. These fraudulent emails, text messages, and phone calls often masquerade as legitimate communications from banks, businesses, or government agencies, luring victims into unwittingly handing over their personal data to cyber criminals. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. Denial of service, DOS, attacks aim to disrupt the availability of online services by flooding target systems with a deluge of traffic, rendering them inaccessible to legitimate users. These attacks can range from simple volumetric floods to more sophisticated application layer attacks, causing significant downtime and financial losses for affected organizations. Man-in-the-middle, mid-term attacks. Man-in-the-middle, mid-term attacks involve intercepting and tampering with communications between two parties, allowing the attacker to eavesdrop on sensitive information or inject malicious content into the exchange. These attacks commonly target unsecured Wi-Fi networks, compromising the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted between devices. Insider threats. Insider threats originate from individuals within an organization who misuse their access privileges to steal confidential information, sabotage systems, or facilitate cyber attacks from within. Whether driven by financial motives, disgruntlement, or coercion, insider threats pose a significant risk to data security and corporate integrity. From malware infections to phishing scams and beyond, the arsenal of cyber attackers knows no bounds. Vigilance and preparedness are our strongest defenses against the ever-present threat of digital intrusion. Real-world cyber attacks. In the annals of cyber history, certain attacks stand out as defining moments, reshaping the landscape of digital security and leaving a lasting impact on those affected. From massive data breaches to crippling ransomware outbreaks, these real-world cyber attacks serve as cautionary tales of the dangers lurking in the shadows of cyberspace. WannaCry ransomware attack. 2017. In May 2017, the WannaCry ransomware swept across the globe, infecting hundreds of thousands of computers in over 150 countries. Exploiting a vulnerability in Microsoft Windows systems, WannaCry encrypted files and demanded ransom payments in Bitcoin for their release, causing widespread chaos and disruption to businesses, hospitals, and government agencies. NotPetya cyber attack. 2017. Also in 2017, the NotPetya cyber attack targeted Ukrainian infrastructure, spreading rapidly across the globe and infecting thousands of systems in its wake. Disguised as ransomware, NotPetya was, in fact, a destructive Viper malware designed to permanently erase data from infected computers. The attack caused billions of dollars in damages to companies worldwide, crippling critical infrastructure and disrupting global supply chains. Equifax data breach. 2017. And quite possibly of the biggest datum breaks ever, the Equifax cyber attack of 2017 uncovered the individual data of more than 147 million people, including names, government-backed retirement numbers, and monetary information. The break happened because of an inability to fix a known weakness in the organization's web application, featuring the significance of ideal security refreshes and proactive gamble the executives. SolarWinds supply chain attack. 2020. In December 2020, news broke of a sophisticated supply chain attack targeting SolarWinds, a leading provider of IT management software. Hackers infiltrated SolarWinds update servers, injecting malicious code into legitimate software updates distributed to thousands of customers. The breach compromised sensitive data and network infrastructure at numerous government agencies and corporations, sparking concerns over the vulnerability of global supply chains to cyber exploitation. Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack. 2021. In May 2021, the Colonial Pipeline, which supplies nearly half of the fuel consumed on the US East Coast, fell victim to a ransomware attack carried out by the DarkSide cybercriminal group. The attack forced Colonial Pipeline to shut down its operations, causing fuel shortages and price spikes across the region. The incident underscored the vulnerability of critical infrastructure to cyber threats and the need for robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard essential services. These real-world cyber attacks serve as stark reminders of the ever-present threat posed by cyber adversaries. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, vigilance, resilience, and collaboration are essential in defending against the relentless tide of cyber threats. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through the digital battleground, one truth becomes abundantly clear: the threat of cyber attacks is omnipresent, but so too is our capacity to defend against them. In the face of relentless adversaries and ever-evolving tactics, the imperative to secure our digital frontier has never been greater. Defending the digital frontier requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing robust cybersecurity protocols, proactive risk management strategies, and a culture of vigilance and resilience. From implementing timely software updates to educating users about the dangers of social engineering, every action we take plays a crucial role in safeguarding our digital assets and protecting our collective security. But the responsibility does not rest solely on the shoulders of cybersecurity professionals. It is a collective endeavor, requiring collaboration and cooperation across industries, governments, and individuals. By sharing threat intelligence, fostering information sharing partnerships, and investing in cybersecurity research and development, we can strengthen our collective defenses and fortify the digital frontier against those who seek to exploit it. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of technological innovation, let us embrace the promise of the digital age while remaining vigilant against the perils that accompany it. Together, let us chart a course toward a safer, more resilient future, where the digital frontier is a realm of opportunity and prosperity for all. The journey continues, but the path forward is clear. Defending the digital frontier is not merely a task, it is a calling, an imperative that demands our unwavering commitment and steadfast resolve. Together, let us rise to the challenge and secure a brighter future for generations to come. Remember, we have created links for our created courses by Let Me Study in the description box. Thank you for watching.